associated with the eastern red cedar. The eastern red cedar will provide birds with a great shelter in the winter and also a great food source. The eastern red cedar is native to northeast United States and grows well in Pennsylvania and New Jersey soils. And at Highland Hill Farm, we grow a lot of eastern red cedars. So if you need an eastern red cedar, give us a call at Highland Hill Farm. Our phone number is 215-651-8329, Doylestown, PA. And the eastern red cedar can also be used for screens and buffers.